Alright guys, well, we're back with my little homemade put together air conditioning system here. And some things that changed. We had a restriction in solenoid valve, some solder got in it, so I took it out. I talked to some people. I'm gonna run this as a regular air conditioner without the solenoid. I just have to change around the thermostat and stuff. You can do it. It's no big deal. I took this insulation off because I actually pulled off the old T there just to make sure that there was no solder that dropped down, because these stems that I got off eBay are supposedly a quarter, like this size copper, but they're just a smidge smaller, so solder was getting past that, but this one was fine. I ended up brazing that one anyway. That one's fine, that one's nice and clear. It's got the new TXV in it that you saw me put in. It's almost at a full charge. I actually ran out of refrigerant because I had to go to a little side job of mine and add gas for a lady's big air conditioner, and that took a lot. And then this took whatever it took because it had a little accumulator, and my high side is about 155 and my low side's 50, so I'm getting about 49 degrees across the coil, but it's still not exactly there. And again, I'm metering it in subcooling, superheat, checking everything. But I just placed another order for a small can of 22 because I don't need a big thing now. I'm gonna turn it on here for you. This is coming off. This is coming off, and I'm gonna do copper right to this. This was only a temporary thing just to get it started and going. Filter dryer, sight glass. You can see my liquid in there. And let me get the temp gun ready here. Let me put the phone down for a second. This is going to be installed in my grandfather's apartment in the back bedroom. Yeah, let me get this puppy started up. First, we got to get the pump and the evaporator fan going. And then, now I'm only going to run this for a little bit because I don't have my my inline fans not in yet. So there's my ducting and my elbow for the bottom, the caulking for the elbow, the sealant, the 3-row coil. So I got my little condenser water pump is going there. Also, you know, this heats up and it swells, so that's why I don't want to run it for long. So this is a little Tecumseh compressor. It's a very small system, only 2400 BTU, medium temperature. I got to adjust the TXV when I get the system properly charged, because it's running as a high temperature system, as technically a regular air conditioner. So we got to get that straightened out. I got to run it as a medium temp system. Sorry about this, guys. I'm like trying to do this with one hand here. I apologize. I just want to plug the compressor in. Well, at least you can hear it come on now. There you go. Compressor runs nice and cool. Sight glass gets a little milky. It's already getting warm here. Oh yeah, this is getting cold. And we're dropping fast here. See if I can get it right on here for you. Suction line. There we go. Yep, 54. It's down to, we got it down to about 49 right now. This is getting warm. Cyclide's getting a little milky. Starting to get nice and cold. This is my condenser water line, my top header. 78, 77, my bottom one, 73, that's because I don't have a condenser fan running, but these are getting warm. Yeah. This is getting ice cold. So it's almost there, guys. It's not at a full charge yet, but it's gonna get there. I'm gonna unplug the compressor now because I don't want this thing to get too warm. And I'll just let the pump go to cool off the condenser water because this is already getting warm, and when it expands it starts to leak up there. So, but yeah, this is really getting nice. See, now it's coming back up in temp. I wish I could get the exact temperature off of the suction line because it's a lot colder than what it's reading there. But yeah, that's basically just the unit. You know, I got it started and I'm just waiting on the rest of the R22. We'll get that in, and then I'm going to redo the condenser water line. I'll get my inline condenser fan and we'll get this running properly, and then I can adjust the TXV to lower the subcooling just a smidge so I could get the mid, you know, like 35 degrees or 29 degrees across that coil. That's what I'm looking for, because I want to keep this a medium temperature system, and it'll be run in tandem with my window air conditioner, so it's not like this is going to have to do a hot pull down or anything, you know. So but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. When this is all set and done, this will also be painted. Everything's getting painted white except for these will be painted a royal blue. I'm thinking of painting the liquid line red, painting this blue. It's going to be painted in a gloss white, so I got to do a white primer, and then this will be all in gloss white. I'm going to make it look really nice. But it's finally up and running. I got it started. I got a starting charge in there. I'm like 10 psi away or a little more from getting a full charge in the system. But again, you know, continue to check my subcool, my superheat, and everything, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and the next one will be when this system is 100% complete. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Mike out.